Hello and welcome to the channel. I'm so excited that you're here today. I am actually really excited about today's video because we're going to be talking about those outfits that I reach for when I don't know what I want to wear. We've all had those days where we just have no idea or really don't feel like making a decision on what it is that we want to wear. For me, when I worked in corporate America, Mondays were those days where I was just like, I want to wear the easiest, most comfortable outfit because I went to bed late, from the weekend. That was my day for a super easy outfit. And I always fell back on what I called my Monday uniform. The Monday uniform wasn't that I wore the same thing every Monday. It was I wore the same type of outfit every Monday. And it was something that was super easy. I already had it kind of in my mind. That's what this video is all about. It's talking about those no-brainer type outfits, some outfit formulas essentially that I fall back on that I'm sharing with you. Before we get started though, I do want to take care of a couple of housekeeping items. First of all, my name is Oralia. The content that I provide here is all around style and fashion for the plus size woman. I am a firm believer that life is way too short to live without style. I post 2 times a week, so make sure that you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss anything here on my channel. The second little bit of housekeeping I wanted to take care of was to give a big thank you shout out to the sponsors of my channel, and that is the Style Squad. The Style Squad is a private membership that I have here on YouTube that you are welcome to join if you'd like. You'll get loyalty badges, custom emojis, and some exclusive content in addition to other perks that the membership offers. So hit the join button down below. A video will pop up and it'll explain everything about the membership. It will be linked also in the description bar down below. For those of you ladies that have joined the Style Squad, again, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I truly appreciate you, and this channel is made possible because of you. So thank you. These outfit formulas are designed to help to make dressing super easy. The way that I describe it to my clients is it makes your wardrobe work for you, not against you. You can fall back on these at any time, and you can also customize them to the situation that you're in. You can take these outfit formulas and make them as casual as you want or as dressy as you want, depending on the situation that you're trying to get dressed for. I will have these outfit formulas on a dedicated Pinterest board on my Pinterest account. It's called What to Wear, and I also have it in a dedicated collection on my Like to Know It page. So if you're following me, or if you'd like to follow me on either of those and check out the boards and the collection, then I will have them linked in the description bar down below. These will serve as outfit guides for you when you're putting together an outfit. Anything that I mentioned, by the way, that you might want to add to your closet, you might want to go out and shop for, I will have that linked in the description bar down below. As much as I can, I am shopping my closet for a lot of these looks, so some of these items may no longer be available, but I will find something similar. All right, now let's dive into the outfit formulas. The first outfit formula, if you've been watching my channel, you're already gonna know what it is. It is a blazer, a pair of pants, and a top. The reason you know it, because I wear it all the time, and that is because it is one of my go-to outfit formulas. What I really like about this outfit formula is the blazer. In this case, because you're looking to get dressed quickly or without a lot of thought, a blazer is immediately going to elevate your look, no matter what you're wearing. If you're in an environment where casual is the name of the game, then a pair of sneakers is going to be really nice because you're going to look really pulled together but comfortable at the same time. If not, then I would recommend a pair of loafers or loafer mules. Those add a lot of polish with very little effort. And or if you need it for like a bigger work situation, then a pair of black pumps or something like that. The example that I am showing you here, I'm wearing a blazer, an elevated t-shirt, my wide leg pants, and a pair of loafer mules because they're super easy, but yet pull together enough to carry off the look. Like I said though, I absolutely love this because it is very comfortable, really easy to pull together. I can get dressed in 2 minutes or less, and I look elevated. The next outfit formula is one that I fall back on all the time, and that is a dress. And because we are entering the fall and winter season, in this case, it would be a sweater dress. A sweater dress is a blank canvas, and you can build up on it in any way, shape, or form. From casual to super dressy, just depending on the accessories that you pair up with it. So keep that in mind with the sweater dress. And the reason that I really like this as an outfit formula is because a dress is a one and done kind of deal. You rarely have to do a whole lot more than just put the dress on to be like mostly dressed. I really love sweater dresses though, because they're so flexible. You can do anything with them, honestly. The example that I'm showing you here is my beautiful black sweater dress from Aritzia. It's the Syrie sweater dress. I love it because I feel really elegant and pulled together in this sweater dress, but it is an incredibly easy outfit for me because I can wear it loose if I want to. I can add a belt to it and it immediately takes it up a notch or two. The type of shoe that you wear with it is endless, whether you're casual on up to super dressy. The third outfit formula that I have for you is a wide leg pant and a sweater. So this is for you gals who don't like wearing blazers. I really love wearing wide leg pants because to me, wide leg pants are like pajamas. They're loose, flowy, usually very comfortable because they come in an elastic waist in a lot of situations. Some of them have a button and a zipper, but a lot don't. And they're instantly sophisticated, I think, because they are flowy and long, and there's just an elegance about a wide leg pant that you just can't find anywhere else. I think that they are much more comfortable than jeans. Ever since the pandemic, I have not worn jeans a whole lot because I find jeans to be incredibly uncomfortable and wide leg pant is not. I can get a lot more sophistication and comfort and ease with a pair of wide leg pants. The sweater can be any kind of sweater. It could be a turtleneck. It could be like the one that I'm showing here, which is a V-neck merino wool sweater. It could be cashmere, whatever kind of sweater you have. Pair it with a pair of wide leg pants and you're automatically gonna look really nice and sophisticated. And then I am wearing it with a pair of sneakers here because this is one of my most favorite looks during the winter. It is super comfortable and super easy. 2 minutes, if even that, and I'm ready to go out and about. So like the other outfit formulas, you can zhuzh it up with your accessories. You can change things out. If a sneaker's not doable, then find a different shoe, and you can adjust this to any situation that you might be in. My next outfit formula is a pleated skirt and a top of some sort. Generally a sweater at this time of year. Caveat, it doesn't have to be a pleated skirt. I picked a pleated skirt because I really love that silhouette. I think that that silhouette is very workable for a lot of body types, and it's very feminine and yet really can look good in so many different situations. I am a big advocate of the pleated skirt because they're beautiful and they're so versatile. You could absolutely pair this outfit with a pair of sneakers. Could also throw on a moto jacket with this look. It would look really nice. I am wearing my pleated skirt with a sweater, and I've got a pair of flats on with it. And I really like the way that this comes together because you just look really nice and casual and easy. Another super simple outfit that I think is really beautiful and very feminine. If pleated skirt is not your thing, it can be any kind of skirt. It could be a pencil skirt, an A-line skirt, whatever type of skirt makes you happy, that you love and that you feel is super easy to style, then grab that and put it on and, wear it in so many different ways with just this formula. The last outfit formula that I have for you involves a cardigan. That's the hero piece here. It could be a matching sweater set. Those are really trendy right now. Or you can just do a cardigan, and it doesn't have to be a short cardigan. I am showing a short cardigan, but it could absolutely be a long cardigan. Actually, a long cardigan is probably going to be even more flexible than a short one, I think. If leggings are your thing, you could absolutely wear a long cardigan with a pair of leggings. I think that looks really fantastic, especially if you have a pair of boots on. The one thing I will say say if you are opting for a long cardigan is that you want to just make sure that what you're wearing underneath it isn't oversized or really flowy. You want to have something kind of almost like a straight line in order to pull off a duster cardigan, regardless of what you pair it with. It's a really nice alternative to a blazer as an outer layer if you don't want to go through the hassle of having a blazer. A cardigan is your next best bet. What I'm showing you here is my brown puff sleeve crop cardigan that I picked up from Eloquy. It's really, really easy to wear and to style. It just helps to bring a little bit of polish without, you know, having to resort to wearing a blazer. Those are the 5 outfit formulas. Now, I will close out by saying that maybe on a Sunday when you've got nothing to do, start playing in your closet. Pull together some outfits following these outfit formulas and snap a picture of them in a mirror. And that way you have a visual reference and you can create your own folder of outfit inspiration. That is encouraged here that you do that, so that way you have a library of looks to fall back on if you really don't feel like putting a lot of thought into what you're wearing. Let me know in the comments down below, what are some of your favorite outfit formulas? We have a community here, and I know that we've got folks that read the comments, so share what you have in the comments down below so that we can all have a gander. I'm always looking for new outfit ideas, so I love reading your comments about the outfits that you wear. So drop them in the comments down below. How many times can I say the word comment? If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. That truly helps my channel out. It really helps in the YouTube algorithm, helps to push this content out so that we can get more eyeballs on what I am doing here. Once again, thank you so much to the Style Squad for your support. I am so very grateful for it. Thank you. Thank you to everyone for spending a few minutes of your day with me. I truly appreciate that as well. Remember to live life filled with confidence, grace, and style. I will see you in my next upload. Bye.